Welcome back to Pilates by Daniella. Today's focus is core and legs. All you'll need is your mat and some optional ankle weights. Mine are from Bala and are 1 pound ankle weights. Let's get started. In 15 seconds, bridge march. Starting position, head, neck, and shoulders at the top of your mat. Feet planted firmly at the bottom of your mat. Hips lift in bridge position. Bridge march. Maintain your bridge position by keeping your navel to your spine and your core activated. Inhale to prep, exhaling, drawing one knee to your chest at a time. Maintain your bridge position by keeping your glutes and hamstrings activated. Avoid arching your low back as you draw your knee to your chest. Avoid dropping your hips lower than your rib cage. If you're feeling pain in your low back, you can drop your hips 1 or 2 inches, but avoid dropping them so low that you no longer have activation in your glutes, hamstrings, and core. In 15 seconds, single bridge march on the right. Starting position, head, neck, and shoulders on your mat, your left foot firmly planted at the bottom of your mat. Single bridge march on the right. Head, neck, and shoulders at the top of your mat, left foot firmly planted onto your mat. Inhale to prep, drawing your navel to your spine. Exhale to draw your knee up towards your chest. Inhaling on the way down, exhaling to the top. To modify, you can drop your hips 1 or 2 inches from your rib cage, but avoid dropping your hips so low that you lose tension in your left side glute and hamstring. Option to amplify by lifting your left heel and coming to your left tiptoes. In 15 seconds, single bridge leg raise. Starting position, bridge position with your right leg extended diagonally. Single bridge leg raise. Extend your right leg straight. Inhale to prep, lowering your leg to your mat. Exhale, lifting your leg to the ceiling. Avoid arching your low back as you lower your leg. In 15 seconds, back to your bridge march. Starting position, bridge, head, neck, and shoulders at the top of your mat, feet planted at the bottom of your mat. Bridge march. Head, neck, and shoulders at the top of your mat, feet at the bottom of your mat. Inhale to prep. Exhale, drawing one knee to your chest, alternating knee to chest, keeping your navel to your spine. In 15 seconds, single bridge march. Starting position, head, neck, and shoulders top of your mat, left foot planted at the bottom of your mat. Single bridge march on the left. Bridge position. Right foot planted firmly on the mat. Inhale to prep. Exhale, drawing your left knee to your chest. Inhale down. Exhale, knee to chest. To modify, you can drop your hips 1 or 2 inches below your rib cage. To amplify, you can come to your right tiptoes, lifting your right heel off the mat. Maintain your pelvic placement, avoiding rocking your hips left to right as you raise your knee to your chest. Draw your navel to your spine and keep your core activated to stabilize your pelvis. In 15 seconds, single bridge leg raise on the left. Starting position, head, neck, and shoulders at the top of your mat. Right foot planted firmly on the ground. Single bridge leg raise. Extend your left leg straight. Inhale to prep, lowering your left leg towards your mat. Exhale, lifting your leg to the ceiling, drawing your navel to your spine. In 15 seconds, final exercise, bicycles. Chest and shoulder blades are lifted above your mat. Legs are lifted 6 inches above your mat. Final exercise, bicycles. Maintain your lift in your shoulder blades and chest. Alternate opposite elbow to opposite knee. Final 15 seconds of work. Way to go. Be proud of the effort that you've put in so far. You only have 8 seconds left. Recover in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, you did it. Way to show up for yourself today. Thank you so much for sharing your energy with me. Like this video and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. See you next time.